Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today topic is straight lines and pair of straight lines. From these both topics, maximum we will guess 3 marks. Okay, let us go with our problems. Here, radius of the circle touching the lines, two lines are given like this. Okay, now the circle touching the lines like this, these are nothing but tangent to the circles, yes or no? Okay, now these two tangents are nothing but parallel to each other. So the distance between the distance between two straight lines, this diameter is nothing but the distance between two straight lines. Now the distance formula is what? Distance formula is d1 minus c1 minus c2. Here c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. When these are two parallel lines, already given lines are parallel lines. Okay, 3x plus 4y minus 14 equals 0. It is a 6x plus 8y plus 7 equals 0. Suppose multiplying with this one into 2, then we will get 6x plus 8y minus 28 equals to 0. Okay, these are two parallel lines like this. Okay, now the distance is nothing but the diameter of circle equals to distance between two parallel lines. Okay, now distance is c1 minus c2, 28 minus 7 minus 35 s by under root a square plus b square. A, b are equal in two equations. 36 plus 64, it is a 35 by root 100 is nothing but 10. Okay, now 2 7s are 2 5s are. One second, check it. 7 5s are, sorry, 5 7s are 5 2s are. Yes, 7 by 2 is a second option is right option. Okay, now next one. If a straight line perpendicular to 3x minus 4y minus 6 equals 0 forms a triangle with the coordinate axis whose area is 6 square units, then the equation of line is what? Okay, there what given? The line which is perpendicular to the line 3x minus 4y minus 6 equals 0 is forms with the coordinate axis, then area is 6 square units. Then what about this equation? Simply, now it is a perpendicular to the given equation, given straight line. Now the required equation is, now x and y quotients are interchanged with opposite sign like this. 4x plus 3y plus k equals to 0 say. Now we need k value. How to get the k value? Now actually the straight line forms the area with the coordinate axis. How much? 6. Now the area forms, if x by plus c equals to 0 makes an area with the coordinate axis is 1 by 2 into c square by ab. Yes or no? Then already that is a 6 already given. Then c is nothing but k square by 2 into 4 into 3, 12 equals 6. Then k square by 24 equals to 6. Then k square equals to 144. Then k equals to plus or minus 12. Yes, maybe k equals to anyone, either it is a 12 or minus 12. Okay, so suppose minus 12, then the second equation is correct. Okay, let us go with more problems. image of the curve x square plus y square equals to 1 in the line x plus y equals to 1 is what? Now circle, it should be with the center 0 comma 0 with the radius is a 1 and image of the curve is nothing but circle. Now the image of the curve, if the center image of the 0 comma 0, here we should take in the line x plus y equals to 1, in the line x plus y equals to 1, now it should be 1 comma 1, okay, 1 comma 1. Then the equation of the circle with center 1 comma 1 is nothing but x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to 1, okay, with the same radius equals to 1 square, then that equals to then x square plus 1 plus minus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y equals minus 1 equals to 0, okay. Then 1 can cancel, x square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0, sorry, x square plus y square 2x minus 2y plus 1 equals 0. Option is fourth one. Now the problem is area of the quadrilateral formed by the lines 4y minus 3x minus a equals 0, 3y minus 4x plus a equals 0, 4 minus 3x minus 3 equals 0, 3y minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0 is what? Observe here. Here we have two pairs of parallel lines, yes or no? Observe these two and these two again, okay. When the now equation of the area of the quadrilateral formed by the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y, sorry, a1x plus b1y plus c2 equals 0, then a2x plus b2y plus d1 equals 0 and a3x, sorry, a2x plus b2y plus d2 equals 0 are lines. Now area of formula equals to modulus of c1 minus c2 into d1 minus d2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, okay. Okay, let square units c1 minus c2 is a minus 3a plus a into d1 minus d2 a minus 2a by a1 b2 minus 16 and a2 b1 minus a2 b1 plus 9, okay. Then that equals to, it is a minus 2a into minus a by 7, okay, minus 7, then 2a square by 7, okay, 2a square by 7, third one is our right option. The problem is the point moves in the xy plane such that the sum of its distance from two mutually perpendicular lines is always equals to 5 units. The area enclosed by two locus of point is what? Okay. The sum of the distance from the mutually perpendicular lines is always equals to 5. So the equation can be written as like this, equals to 5, okay. And we have to find the area enclosed by the locus of point. Maybe the locus of point in different has in different equation. Actually here we have different equations. Suppose modulus x plus or minus x plus or minus 5, okay. Actually we have 4 equations. So the area formed by the equation like this, like previous problem, then we have directly, simply you can write t into c square, it is nothing but c square by 1 into, sorry, modulus 1 into 1x, quotient is a 1, okay. Now it is a our required area. Simply you can write by shortcut way, simply write 2 into 5 square, okay, it is a 5 square. Actually, suppose we have one formula from 0 to 0 to the equations, we have number of equations like this. Suppose x plus y equals to 5, then we have the equation minus 5 by under root 1 square plus 1 square, yes or no? So that's why I am writing here 2 into the 5 square by 1 under root 1 into 1, okay. Then 2 into 25 by 1 equals to 50 square units. Third one is our right option. The angle between the pair of straight lines formed by joining the points of intersection of x square plus y square equals to 4 and y equals to 3x plus c equals to c to the origin is right angle, then c square is equal to what? Okay, actually it is a pair of straight lines problem. Then we have to homogeneizing the equations. X square plus y square minus 4 into 1 equals to 0. In the place of 1 equals to, shall I write like this? Here x equals to y minus 3, sorry, 1 equals to, we need 1 equals to, actually c equals to 1, y minus 3x, c equals to y minus 3x, then 1 equals to y minus 3x by c, yes or no? Okay, then substitute here, homogeneizing 4 into y minus 3x by c equals to 0, okay. Now simplifying 1 square, then x square plus y square into c square, yes, and also minus 4 into y square plus 9x square minus 6xy equals to 0, okay. Leave that. Actually we need what? Perpendicular, okay, origin is right, angle is a right angle. So this equation represent two lines, those are perpendicular to each other. So here x square quotient plus y square quotient equals 0, yes or no? Then x square quotient is what? C square, and also minus 36, yes or no? Plus y square quotient also be c minus c square minus 4, okay, equals to 0. Then 2c square equals to 40, yes, 20 is c square equals to 20 is our right option is first one, okay. New problem. The equation x square minus 5xy plus by square plus 3x minus 8y plus 2 equals 0 represent a pair of straight lines. If theta is the angle between them, sin theta equals to what? Okay, we know the formula of sin theta and also cos theta, but here asking sin theta. But then what about p? How to get p value? By applying properties of pair of straight lines, the equation which has pair of straight lines is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal 0 is the one of the condition. By this condition, we will get P value. Then how to get? Here we know A equals to 1 x square quotient, B equals to P, yes or no, C equals to constant 2 and 2H equals to minus 5, 2G equals to 3, 2F equals to minus 8. Okay, let's substitute. 1 into P into 2 plus 2F equals what? Direct minus 8. G equals to 3 by 2 and H is a minus 5 by 2 minus AF square. AF square. F means minus 4 whole square minus BG square. B G square. G square means 3 by 2 whole square minus CH square. 2 into minus 5 by 2 whole square equals to 0. Then it is a 2p 2 2 2 is a 4 2 is a minus into minus plus 2 3 is a 6 30 minus 16. Yes or no? Here minus p 9 by 4. Okay, so it is a 9 p by 4 minus 20 by 4 20 by 25 by 2 equal 0. Okay, let's simplification, more simplification. P is a common 2 minus 9 by 4. Okay, now that's it. 30 minus 16 is a 25 by 2. 30 minus 16 is a plus 14 minus 14 here. Now minus 1 by p by 4 here. So it is a 2. 25 minus 28. It is a 1 by 2. Yes, 3 by 2. 25 minus 28 minus 3 by 2. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 2s are p equals to 6. Okay. Now sin theta formula is 2 under root h square minus ab by under root a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. Okay. Let's substitute here. 2 into h square. H square means 25 by 4 minus ab. AB 1 into 6. Okay, by under root a minus b. A minus b means 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 5 25 plus 2h. 2h is a minus 5 25. Okay, then that equals to, more simplification here, 2 into under root 25 minus 24 1 by 4. Okay, by it is a root 2 into 25 as 5 root 2. Yes or no? Then that equals to 2 get cancelled. It is a root 4. Yes or no? Okay, now this one bring 1 by 5 root 2. Okay, now which option? Already we have 1 by root 50 here. Then it is nothing but 1 by, as it is, root 50. Okay, then 1 by root 50 is our right option, first one. Now the problem is the range of a, so that a square x square plus 2xy plus 4y square equals 0 represent distinct lines. Okay, it is nothing but a x square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0 represent two distinct lines. Let here first of all h square minus ab greater than 0. Okay, these are the properties of pair of straight lines. H square h is nothing but x half of xy quotient 1 square minus a means x square quotient is a square, b y square quotient is a 4 greater than 0. Okay, so it is a 4a square minus 1 greater than 0. Yes or no? Then 2a plus 1 into less than 0. 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1 less than 0. Okay, then 2a a, it is a less than 0. So a belongs to what? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, the value between minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Which option? Third option is right option. Okay, I hope you can understand this. If you like this video, please share. Okay, this is a very short time to MSET exam. Okay, thank you so much.